So, some funny officials from Nwoya district did some funny corruption. Is a real saga. And Nwoya production department procured two Ailupu speakers. They procured two speakers, which they say it is two Ailupu amplified public address speakers at a tune of 11 million shillings. District councillors demands for immediate auditing. So this thing even does not require auditing. But anyway, in this video, we're going to look at the reactions of the people. What have the people said about this ugly development? Now, there's a guy called Stephen Mona. Stephen Mona said, those people are not smart. And he laughed. Ken Paul said, Nwoya production department, Guillaume Yidanoba. Then Bling Selector said, I bought mine from Kitgum at 450,000 cash, and I have it stands at 80k, two stands at 160k. Ulu, too much corruption, total 610. So the guy says the thing is worth only say 610,000. Then there is a guy called Price said Dora said, for real, I need it. How much? Then another person also who commented said, the guy's name is called Oloko Jerry B. Said Alexander Kitty, first tell us how much these speakers cost. I think he's thinking that Alexander Kitty works in Mega FM, but no, Alexander Kitty works in Rupin. So that is it. Opera Koyo said Mandong Pat Kitogang. Any walon wa when you wait. This officer will even walk scot-free. Local government is really local. So that is it. Another person by the name Brandon Innocent Sheriff said, a fool and his money complete the proverbs. Then Lakoya Ray Okech said, if the money is taxes payers, then the case is simple. James Rogers Opiro said it was a typing error. I think that person wanted to say at a tune of 1.1 million shillings. Uponya George said corruption everywhere. Those speakers had cost 1.6 million for both. Then another person said, by the name Stephen Ochaga, said, some theft are stupid really in this. I think he wanted to mean in this world. Then Chris Mills Obalim said, Aliba must know about this. Okot Samuel said, these speakers 11 million, I can buy 10 of them. Then Rax Denny said, 11 million, Mado. Uken Joffrey said, these things can't cost more than 1 million. Achaye said, this is serious. Obalim Brian said, local governments never disappoint. That's just the start to the financial year 2024-2025. I love how it started, where it's going and where it will end. Just keep it posted. Then another person by the name of Pierre Koyo said, Mega FM Gulu, can you tag the name of that officer? And another person by the name of Yellow John Bosco said, 11 million donors can be deceived, not an African, especially actually. Heidi Vicky say this is totally madness. Nwoya production department get serious. Jasper Umara said he just laughed with an emoji. Jimmy Olaris said, wow, government work is sweet. Janet Onibi Chaya said, will the sound be heard both on earth and in heaven? Then another guy called you Robert Nasta just laughed. aka Danny Exclusive also laughed. Ujwak said not even $1 million shilling is required for the speakers. Maximum of 400k is enough. So Just a lot of comments. People made a lot of comments, but those are just the samples of how people reacted to that post on the official Facebook page of Mega FM. It's a serious, ugly corruption happening in Nwoya district. Nwoya district is really sounding for being too corrupt, and I think those of Batoro team, the advocates from that side, got a job to do.